Hello, what's up? My name is Romulo from Easy App Reports, and this is one of the first episodes of the 10 million downloads project. Um, so just to explain again, like why you are doing this. So this is a you could even say that it's a kind of a lab experiment where we try to grow our own apps to 10 million downloads, of course. And we decided to just go full public, show all the details, the behind the scenes, everything. Uh, Mainly because, like, personally, I've been doing this for myself, for my clients, for the past 10 years now. And to be honest, a lot of the things are just like very basic, best practices and processes that you should follow. So I just, after all these years, I get myself repeating a lot of those best practices a lot of the times. Uh, so this is really my attempt of showing you, like, in practice how to do things, so you can also apply these tactics to your app as well. Okay, so that's it. So for today's episode, it's going to be all about picking Portuguese keywords for our app. Okay, so I'm going to be sharing my screen and showing you all the details, every little step, how to do it, and also a little bit on my thought process on how to go about those things. Okay, so just summarizing. So we're going to today create an account on NetRadar because we want to have a place where we can track all those keywords. We're going to pick the keywords that we're going to use. We're going to add them on a spreadsheet. So we're going to build the title, the subtitle, the keywords, and maybe a little bit of the description as well. And then after all of that is done, we're going to apply that on App Store Connect and save, so we can then launch the new version of our app. Okay, so that's the plan for today. So let's go for it. Let me share my screen. Okay, we're live. So before we start, I would just like to show you something, like why have we decided to go for the Portuguese keywords first. So here I am on App Store Connect. I'm going to go on the Analytics tab and then select our app here. Okay, cool. So this is all our stats. You can see the impressions, PPVs, conversion rates, downloads, proceeds, and so on. So as you can see, if we take a look at the territories we're in, you're going to see that mainly most of our downloads are coming from the US, and even US is declining a little bit, to be honest. And then we have UAE, and then Pakistan, UK, India, Australia, and so on. So as you can see, like, it's mostly English countries, right? And yeah, we're going to go for Portuguese first because I'm Brazilian. So this is going to be very, very straightforward to me. I think, of course, doing this for Spanish, for French, or German will be much, much harder. So this is just me, like, playing on my own strengths, to be honest, and see if we can, drive any result whatsoever. Let me see first, like, what's. Okay, let me maybe remove this, and then Brazil. Let me remove this, this, this. Okay, so this is. Let me put 90 days. Oh, it's so annoying. That's why, by the way, soon we're going to build a dashboard using Easy App Reports, because this is, yeah, not cool, to be honest. Okay, so this is how many downloads we're having in Brazil. So not a lot, to be honest. Portugal, yeah, Portugal is not even here on the list. Okay, so this is the plan. We are going to add the keywords, the title, and so on in Portuguese, and we want to see a big, nice uplift in downloads on this market. So that's what we want to see. That's our focus. Okay, let's go to AppRadar. I know that they have this free plan with 20 keywords. It's not a lot, but I really want to upgrade soon. But for now, let's just go for it. This is all 100% live, by the way. So I did not try to do anything before. So if something goes wrong, we just have to figure out during the way. So let me sign in. Okay. Let's go for monthly. I actually want to start the free plan. Okay, that's the one. Okay, thanks for being awesome. Okay, cool. Glad to know. Let's see. Okay. So our app is the charging animation app. Let's see if we can find it. Oh, it's not even here on the first page. We put the name of the company. Yeah, okay, so you can see here, charging animation by 10 million downloads by Easy Parts. Okay, cool. Competitors, there are a bunch. Let me just look for. Just pick two random apps for now. Don't really care. It's asking me to add a few keywords. To be honest, I'm not going to do that now because we only have 20, right? So we want to make sure that we're using these 20 keywords as wisely as we can. I'm going to start now. The app's being analyzed. Nice. Connect. Okay, now I already know how to use this. Okay. Cool. So let's go for keywords and then tracking. And then what I want to do is I have to upgrade my plan to pick Brazil. That's very unfortunate. It's very unfortunate. What we do then, I think, because here's the thing. If you check our app, we don't have anything in Portuguese. Like all the metadata is currently in English, right? So I'm going from the assumption that anything that we do here is going to be better than what we have, which is nothing. You can see here, no description, no keywords, no title, no anything, right? So I was already kind of thinking of just picking keywords from the top of my head, to be honest, because I know how to pick Portuguese. But to be honest, like I really wanted to use. Let's go for their competitors, because maybe they allow me to create an account where I can actually use keywords in Portuguese without having to pay. I really like these guys, by the way. I've been using them for a while now. So there's this one app, 5 competitors, no, no keywords. Okay, so that's not very helpful. By the way, if we cannot find a solution here, I'm just going to do it the hard way without any tool. And then we're going to show you how I'll go about it. Yeah, on Apptweak they don't even have a free option, MobileAction. Let's see. Free forever, 100 keywords. Interesting. To be honest, I haven't used MobileAction in a while now. but if I can track 100 keywords, the question is like the countries, right? But let's see. Let's give it a try. So again, as you can see, this is pure improvisation. Okay, let's start. First things first. No thanks. Animation, C5. C5 is the name of our company, not the legal name, by the way. Okay. I think I have here. No. So this is the link. Okay, cool. So not competitors. For now, I don't really care, to be honest. Let's just pick these two. Oh, we can select a country. Some. That's what we wanted. Okay. So animation is animação in Portuguese. So let's just go with that. This these suggestions are really bad. This is like something to brush your hair. This is horoscope. This is really not the best suggestions, to be honest, but that's okay. Okay. How am I going to use this? So this is the keyword spy. As I say, let's go to keyword tracking. Okay. The thing is, now I have to find the keywords, like how people look for this app. But for this, I'm going to use a trick. Let's go to Google Play. It's a bit unusual, but I'm going to understand like why I'm doing this. I'm aware that we are working on an iOS app. And here, whoa, okay. So this is PTBR. Brazil. Okay. So we are now in the Brazilian Google Play. Okay, so you can see here people look for animação de carregamento. This is charging animation, as you can see from the screenshots here. So it seems like bateria, carregamento, animação mega charging, animação de carregamento. Oh, this is this is funny. Okay. Aplicativo de animação de carregamento de bateria. To be honest, like being Brazilian, this is not really, doesn't really sound super native, to be honest. Not at all. So let's see the suggestions here. So charging animation And this anime, Naruto, free, Samsung. So let's just go for animação. Okay. So this seems to be our main keyword. So let's go for it. But then now let's just look for charging. Battery. So this is charging, but like this is rápido is like fast, accelerate. So this is like fast charging, and not really what we're looking for. Yeah, you can see that there's no suggestions, right? This is a bad sign because these suggestions right here, this is based on relevance, right? So as a type, oh, so this animated charging. But yeah, sorry, I guess as I was saying, this is based on relevancy, right? So I start to type, and this is the most relevant suggestions for this keyword, okay? So if you start typing and there's no suggestions, that's a very bad sign. It's a sign that no one's looking for that. Therefore, probably should not consider using that keyword. I saw another one like tela. Yeah, this. So this is a charging screen. Carregamento. Charging tela is a screen. So this is good. This is good. So we're going to take that as well. And then there's all this. So this we can also use. Personalizada is like custom, personalized. What else? It's a lot about anime. So I'm guessing there's a lot of people looking for this anime wallpapers, which is good news because we actually have that on our app. So that's very, very good. Yeah, some people say it's wallpapers. So wallpapers, which is, it's also good, right? Maybe let me go for here. So we call this papel de parede, so wallpaper, but more like, this is funny. So this is moving wallpapers. It's interesting. So what we offer is not really a wallpaper, it's more of an animation. But I guess that for our purpose also fine. So this is some moving wallpapers, this live moving wallpapers, 3D wallpapers, screen wallpapers, blocked screen wallpapers. So we're going to go to first this. This. Okay, so we're already collecting a bunch of ideas, like a bunch. Which is good. It's very good. It's very good. Let's look at, yeah. So there's also 3D, right? 3D animation is also valid. Okay, so we already have quite a few ideas here. I have to wait a little bit because it's still calculating. Let me go for keyword suggestions now, because maybe because now we have some keywords there, maybe now they'll be able to suggest some stuff. Yeah, versus, yeah, this app, for example. I have to pick a country. Yeah, I already picked. List. I don't know. Just give me what I want. Oh, Jesus. Okay. Okay, so this is loading, carregando. This is loading. What the heck? And then a battery saver, which is not our case. Like, we're not a battery saver app. At least not yet. Okay, can we maybe... How many competitors can we get? Let me see. Really? Yes, not really letting me do anything. Let's just add these guys here. I have no idea how much of a competitor they are. So let's pick maybe this one, generate. Yeah, this is not super helpful, to be honest, and I'm thinking it's because simply those apps are not ranking on the Brazilian store. So I'll just go to the store right now. Sorry that I can't share. I forgot my cable. I'm just looking for charging animation. Okay, as you maybe can see. Let's see if I can find a competitor in Portuguese. Honestly, I'm looking at it, and no one is in Portuguese. Okay, this is huge. It's huge. Now, actually, found more keywords. So I found this one, which is a cool. Legal. So legal is it's cool. What else? Let me see what suggestions. So I did the same, right? I did the same that I did on Google Play, just looking for keywords. But to be honest, that's why I did it on Google Play. Because on Google Play they have much better suggestions, especially in Portuguese. I think the suggestions from Apple, they are okay for English, but as you move away from English, it gets like really, really bad, to be honest. Yeah, so I'm looking at it, and there's not a lot. There's maybe a competitor called Ampere. Let's have it as a competitor. No, 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 no. Let's see if we can find them. This one. Okay, so this guys. Let me see. Let's see if we can find solutions in Portuguese. Oh, it's a little bit difficult to use. Let's see. Okay. Carregar. Okay. Yeah, that's not really what I wanted. So this is about Apple Search Ads. But that's the problem, like, it's what I say on my ASO course. by the way, which is in Portuguese. That like when you move away from English, then it's very difficult, very difficult to find keywords and pick them. Okay, so we have some information here. We're only ranking for changing animation, of course, because we don't have any Portuguese keywords. But we can see, like, let's see if I search, score. So this is very competitive, like this. So this is wallpaper. So this is probably going to be very difficult to rank for. But maybe like 3D wallpaper is an option. An animated wallpaper, 3D wallpaper. This is a nice 93 chance. I don't know the search score though. That's the problem. But it's okay. I think from this, it's already enough for me to come up with the keywords. Maybe I need more, but for now it's okay. I should be okay. So let me show you how I'm going to do this. So this is a spreadsheet. This is a very simple spreadsheet that I have with the current metadata in English, right? So you can see the app name, the subtitle, the keywords, promotional text, and the description. This is very bad, by the way. I'm aware that we have to fix this. And this is going to be the Portuguese version that we put, right? So let me just, before that, yeah, let me just see if I can do this. Yeah, this is, I have to clean this up, right? What about no formatting? That's even worse. Okay, so I just want this, like I don't really care about the rest. Just delete. Okay, so these are the keywords. There's also this retrying. Very annoying. So let's just get rid of that. Yeah, okay. So this are the keywords that we have. Okay, I'm just going to paste them here. I like actually to put everything, yeah, into one. I think for now, that's okay. And then I'm going to do something like this just to make it easier for me to read. Sorry about this. I'm just going to make this slightly bigger. Yeah, okay, just so I see all the keywords. Okay. So this is going to be, yeah, if I'm going to go for a straight translation, it would be something like this, which I don't love, to be honest. It's not very, yeah, not very cool, not attracting, sounds like scammy apps, to be honest. I think for the future, I think it would be nice for us to have a name. I know that we are more in the ASO game for now, but it would be important to have a unique name so people can look up for us. You can see the problem, right? I was here trying to find my app to put MobileAction, and I couldn't because they all have the same names, right? So how can my app be unique if it's just like any other app? That's kind of the problem. And this is something that I think some people miss when they're trying to play the ASO game. They just optimize 100% for ASO and forget about branding, and branding long term pays off itself like very nicely, and it's a nice way also to differentiate yourself from the competition, especially when you have kind of a utility app like this one. I think having a brand is super important. But for now, it's okay. I'm going to think about a name, or maybe you can make a suggestion. Leave on the comments like a cool name. It can be an English name, okay? Doesn't have to be Portuguese. It's fine. So we can use this in the future. For now, I'm going to go for this because this is the main keyword that we're trying to rank for. And we have some space, so I'm just going to put 3D because it makes sense. Our app does indeed have 3D videos. Okay, the subtitle, but this is very interesting. Play cool battery charge show, right? So this doesn't really say anything. So let's look on our ideas here. I think there's one on cool, which is what they're doing, but I want to make sure that this is really a phrase and not a bunch of random keywords put together. Go for the plural then. Okay, so this would be ideal. So this is co-animations for your blocked screen. But the thing is that we are over the limit. Yeah, how should we do that? Because 7, I'd have to remove maybe 2 words or one of the biggest, but removing animações, yeah, the phrase wouldn't make sense, to be honest. Okay, so brainstorm time. Let's go for so we still have, so this is tune. Tune is like you know, tuning for when you turn your car to make it cooler. So this would be an option, like tune your blocked screen. I don't know if that makes sense in English, but it does make sense in Portuguese. Okay. Yeah, this would be perfect, like in terms of, you know, good Portuguese. This would be like, you know, pimp your blocked screen. But you know what? I think this is good for English. Because the English was also not very good. What else? What else? What else? Yeah, maybe this. Oh, okay, I'm missing 4. Yeah, this is wrong. This is wrong. I'll have to remove. You know what? Because in Brazil. This. Oh, it's such a shame. What I can do is remove this, which then can I replace. Yeah, this is okay. So this is animations for blocked screen, like for your blocked screen. I think this is okay because then we can get a plural version. Because Apple they don't understand plural in Portuguese. They don't have blocked screen, which is also a very important keyword. I don't like the fact that we are repeating the same words, though. It sounds repetitive. I don't love this, but I think it's okay. I think it's okay. So let's go for papel. Okay, so this is wallpaper, animated, legal, cool. Cool. We don't need to put cool. Personalized, anime. Battery, of course. Move. So this is moving meshing. It's like move or moving. So that's why I put both because they're different. Let me see on our app what categories of wallpapers we offer because I don't remember. So we have 3D animations, we have neon animation, abstract, anime, and games and nature. Abstract. Not sure if that's a good keyword, to be honest. For the Portuguese version of free, we shouldn't need to use it, but I put here by the way. Actually, I'm going to remove abstract for wallpaper because we also use this word in Portuguese on wallpaper. Still have 3, actually more because of the commas. So we can add 1 keyword or 2. I'm thinking about preposition as well. We already have de, para. Maybe also things like best, melhor. Yeah, I think for now it's okay. Okay. Now the final one. The final one, which is the promotional text. Already thinking. Okay. What can we do here? I think something around, like make your phone cooler with all these animations. We have anime, nature, gaming. I think it can be very straightforward in that sense. think that's it. There's more space. There's more space. I'll just try now. So just finalizing with a call to action. I know that we can do much better here. What else could we put here that's more? Kind of exhausted all the keywords that we have here, to be honest. I think it would be cool if we can play around with competitors, right? But they don't really have brands, which is a bit annoying. How does keywords by works, by the way? Shared keywords. Okay, this doesn't make sense. Why are they doing this? I already have my keywords. Okay. Okay, I think also because this is charging, or I would like a charger, which is different. Okay, so I think this is better. I managed to put a different keyword. I think it's okay. Like for now, it's fine. It's fine. So here's the thing. So this is our privacy policy. Just update it. So I'm going to replace this. This is also going to be changed. So we're going to do like $1 per month. I think this is not correct. This is working correctly on iOS now. Yeah, this description. I don't know why they have this. So here's the thing. Sorry, in case that you didn't get the full story. We bought this app, right? And this is the first update that we're doing after we acquired it. So there's some legacy stuff here that I don't quite understand. So for now, what I'm going to do is very lazily, just to go to translate here and then Portuguese. Okay. Okay, I think this is fine. It's not great. Just make a few tweaks to make this better in Portuguese. Then a call to action. Download our app, explore, download and define cool animations. In a second, charge our phone and find this. Tons de fundo, no, this. Yeah, this can be in Portuguese. just get this. I'm not a fan of having this privacy policy, but I was checking some of the conversations that they had with Apple's team, and apparently this was a requirement somehow. So let's just leave it to it. Okay, now let's put everything on the App Store. Okay, so let's do that. Okay, let's start with the promotional text. Promotional text, and then the description. Close this. The keywords. Yeah. Okay. We exceeded the limit. I hate this. Like, why would they count the commas? It's so stupid. I think I'm just going to remove this. Yeah, guess that's it. What's new? I will explain in a second, okay? I think what would be cool, by the way, is if we can collect suggestions from the customers on what kind of wallpapers they want. Why I'm thinking this, sorry, because I made this, so basically I'm saying that we are the new owners of the app, and now they're going to get updates in Portuguese, and we hope that they liked it. But what I really wanted to ask is if people have suggestions, but this is a story for another day. Okay, copyright. Why do they have? What's this? What's this? Yeah, this is the name of our company. Let's save this, and then on the app information, let's also do this, and then this. Just confirm. Primary language, yes, still in English. I want to change the category because I think it makes much more sense for this to be in the utility category, to be honest. But for now, oh, sorry. So this is, sorry. So this is, made a mistake here. Change to Portuguese. This is annoying, by the way. I was already working in Portuguese. Why did Apple think that now I want to somehow change this? Yeah. Okay, by the way, on the description, this is not true. Oh, there's weekly twice. I haven't realized that. Okay, so this is. matter. By the way, I'm also going to take this because I made some changes because of the price. Okay, in this, yeah, I don't like this. This is promotional text. I'm going to do the opposite here. Oh, Jesus, I copied. Okay. And I'm going to use this. It's not very good English, but it's better than what we had. Okay. So again, remove the thing. And I believe that's it. Of course, like we want to translate the screenshots as well. But for now, I think this is more than okay. Cool. Okay, so I hope that you enjoyed this live. So as you could see, this was me just trying my best, doing the best of what I had, and then I'm going to bring you updates. Okay, if about these keywords, if they worked or not, meaning like the rankings that we managed to get. Maybe we're going to see more downloads coming from Brazil and Portugal and other Portuguese countries. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any suggestions and also idea of keywords or maybe something that I completely forgot during the process, do let me know and I will respond and interact with you guys. Okay? Thank you and see you next time. Bye bye.